Oh, let's try again. So the other goalless that I picked with the spool pins isn't actually ranked on the belt system. This is the other one that I've got. This is ranked because this has got the gin pins, mushroom pins. So it's got gin drivers and mushroom key pins. A hell of a lot harder of a lock to pick. But I've just had it open, so I'm going to jump straight back in and try it again.
Oh, we check these. Oh, sorry.
There we go, we've got it. Little nick on 6, and we've got the open. So, as I said in the video I last posted about these are the ones which have got the sprung sides, which are an absolute nightmare, and I'm hoping I don't do as badly as I did with it last time. See there, it's open. The other problem with these goal locks is the type of screwdriver they use. They don't use a conventional like Phillips screwdriver head. They use a more flattened bottom version. So you've got to be careful you don't strip the screws out. That's that done. And this is where I have to be careful I don't lose the bits out the side. Oh, I've lost a pin out there. Damn it. I hope I haven't ruined that spring. There's one ball bearing. There's the spring. So I'm hoping that spring. What's going on here? Right, so it wasn't one that dropped out, because there's one that's just reared its face. I'll put that up the top here for a minute, see if we can get this side spring. Yeah, get this spool pin out of one. No, whatever I've done to that, I've ruined that spring. So let's try and get pin spring one out. There's pin stock 2. And spring 2. Got a feeling that might be pin 6. I'd I'll look with these gold locks. Last couple of days. Pin 4. Hopefully I'll have another spring somewhere I can swap for that one. Oops. I'm having no luck with these springs whatsoever. Anyway, that's the car emptor. Moving on to this bit. One, two, three, four, five, and six. So in here, come on, focus. There we go. So you can see the get stuck. Come on, focus. There we go. So get stuck under the undercut, just there, and then it's got the counter milling on top. So there's that one. And spin that one round. And there we have the pins. Absolute nightmare. So now I'm going to try and see if I've got a replacement spring for that. And find the one I've just dropped on the floor. And then get me tea. Thanks for watching.